Hello, my name is Burunji Kaboya. I'm a full-time Burunji. I am a well-being researcher that helps me to become a full-time Burunji. I make art to understand myself, my choices, and the way forward. And I am a mindful African art facilitator. I do all of this to recover from burnout and to support burnt out women, especially Black women, to reclaim their joy, to explore play, to retell stories, traditions, and to create new art that speaks to them and shows them of endless and infinite possibilities. So I speak of infinite possibilities because my next Mindful African Art workshop for burnt out women, and especially for Black women, is the Future Self-Portraiture workshop, where we will have lots of mindful sensory explorations and also consider what our ideal future looks like, of which there are infinite possibilities. Making artwork that speaks to your future is so inspiring and can be a real anchor, guiding you forward and reminding you of your commitments to yourself, to your joy, to your well-being. So come play with me. The date is 13th of April, Sunday the 13th of April, and there is a link in the comments.